In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear Yahoo Mail storage. If your mailbox is running out of space or feels cluttered, this walkthrough will help you quickly identify what's taking up room and remove it safely so your inbox stays fast and organized. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Yahoo Mail. This keeps things simple and ensures you get to the correct sign-in page. Click the first official result to open Yahoo Mail, then sign in with your account. You may be asked to verify your identity. Just follow the prompts and proceed to your inbox. Once you're in the new Yahoo Mail view, head to the search bar at the top. A powerful way to spot space hogs is to search for larger than 10. That tells Yahoo to show messages with big attachments. You'll likely see newsletters with embedded images, sent files, or old conversations with photos and documents. Review the results, open anything you're unsure about, and delete what you no longer need. If you're still tight on space, you can change that number to something smaller or bigger, like larger than 5 MB or larger than 20 MB, depending on your needs. Next, clear out emails you simply don't need anymore by age. In the same search bar, type before 2020 to find messages older than that year. This is great for receipts, promotions, and alerts that have long since expired. You can change the year to match your situation. You can even combine searches, for example, larger than 10 MB before 2020, to find the biggest, oldest messages in one go. When you're confident, select and delete. Now make sure those deletions actually free up space. In the left sidebar, hover over the trash folder. Click the trash icon, sometimes labeled Delete All, to permanently remove everything inside immediately. Until you empty trash, those messages can still count toward your storage, so this step is essential. Remember that this action is permanent, so double-check before you confirm. Do the same for the spam folder. Hover, click the icon, and empty it. Spam can accumulate quickly, and while it often auto-deletes over time, clearing it now gives you an instant space boost. Finally, reduce future clutter by unsubscribing from emails you don't read. Open a newsletter and look for the unsubscribe link at the bottom. If you're using the Yahoo Mail app, you can long press an email to find the unsubscribe option. This prevents ongoing buildup and keeps your mailbox lighter. Repeat these searches and cleanups periodically, and your Yahoo Mail storage will stay under control. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!